what I'd like to first do is to show you the box virtually and show you what's in it and give you a little overview in the process of the methodology behind Sube. So Sube is a multi-sensory approach to teaching a second language to children. And what that means is that it addresses, through all the different multimedia components that you have in your box, it addresses the diverse learning style of your class. So some kids learn better visually, some learn better kinesthetically, others learn better through reading and writing. So all of those modalities are addressed within each hour session or 45-minute session. The other thing about Sube is that it's not only multisensory, but it's multimedia, and all the components are built into your kit. And the third thing is that it's really strong in developing comprehension and speaking skills. A lot of stuff out there is really good for reading and writing, and the comprehension and speaking doesn't get addressed as much unless you're speaking to them and working with it actively. So this curriculum, these games, these activities, they're really designed to encourage the children to speak, to use their language skills. And the way we do that is with a scaffolding technique. And these scaffolding techniques are what I'm going to be demonstrating to you in the games. But the way it's broken up in the box is that the flashcards are your key components. As you'll see, they're color-coded, and each color is for a different theme. There are 8 themes total in the curriculum. Animales, there's food, home, verbs, body parts, clothes, places, and opposites. That's what these colors are. Of course, in addition to those basic Sube themes, there are the primary themes that you always have to cover in beginning language, which is the colors, the numbers, the shapes, the alphabet, phonics games. All that is, in addition, carried out throughout and weaved throughout all of these themes. So the way it works is, for every thematic unit, like let's say the Animales, which is what we're going to start with today, which is usually your first month, the one you'll be starting with on Monday, for every theme, you have a reader book. So there are 8 reader books, different color, one for every theme, which reinforces your vocabulary for that unit through a simple reader book that's at their level. Present tense, easy to follow along. The reader books come with, in the back here, they come with this reader book reproducible. And what that is the same book in black and white that you can copy, and they can cut it out and staple it together and color it in, read along with you in the class, take it home, read it with their parents, and it integrates the parents into your class,